Good morning, happy crafters. I'm back again for another layout. This one's going to be a single 12 by 12, and this one I am using this watercolor green cardstock for my background, and I have a mountain cut out at 11.5 inches across, and it is about 6 inches high. And so what I'm doing today is a waterfall layout. My family and I took some pictures in front of a waterfall, and I was really trying to figure out how am I going to incorporate this onto a layout. And what I decided was I just want to do a simple waterfall on cardstock and then put my pictures on it, and that's it. No fluff really. Just simple, and let my pictures speak for themselves. Alright, so let's get this on here. Oops, too far over. There. Next I have my waterfall, and it's from the same paper pack, but this one has blue polka dots, blue and white polka dots with a little watercolor shimmering through the background. And this is going to go right about here. Now my waterfall is pretty large. It is 9 1/4 by, let's see, by 9. And I do not have a 12 by 12 mat. I might have mentioned this before. I just have an old personal size silhouette that cuts 8 inches wide, and you can go as long as 12 inches. And so I just wanted to tell you that because you can make a 12 by 12 layout work as long as you're not cutting out a full center piece on a personal size cutter. It does work. Okay, now I have my water splash, and you know what? I want to enhance this. So let me grab my petal bug. And I'm going to use my Bubbles embossing folder. So I hope this all goes in the camera. Just going to put this right inside here, in between my plates, and I'm just going to run it through real fast. Okay, so there, that just gives it a little bit more of a textured look, and the machine cut out these little things here as well. So let's go ahead and adhere this down. And because it's embossed, you want to add extra adhesive just to make sure it gets a good hold on your paper. Okay, so this is going to go right about there. Let me get my paper. Yeah, right there. Okay, next I have these little rocks formations, and they're gonna go here, here, where the, and here. And on here I have no NG for no glue because it's going to go over my photo mat slightly. And before I adhere this last one, I'm going to put my photo mats down. This is from the 6x6 paper pad called Happy Camper, and it's just little arrows on here. See that? Backed on a rust colored orange. Okay, so this is going to go underneath this rock formation. All my photo mats are cut at 4 1/4 by 4 1/4, except for this one. This is 5 1/4 by 4 1/4, and that's only because the picture that I have, I couldn't shrink it down any smaller without cutting people out of it. And then these other two photo mats have a map on it, and so I'll make sure the words are upright. Not that you're really going to see it once my picture's on there, but still. And I'm putting my photo mats pretty far in the corner because I do want that waterfall scene to be showing. Oops. The good thing about this ATG tape is once it dries, it adheres really, really tight, but it does give you some leverage to lift things up when you need to. Okay, and then I've got this little rock right here. And I'm just going to put it right there. Let me see. So the water is supposed to be going around the rock. So angle it. There. Okay. Then, because I felt like it needed just a little bit more, I have this sticker pad from Happy Camper by Echo Park. And I'm just going to put a few things on here. So since it's with my family, I'm going to put family time right here. And what else should I put on here? Oh, I'm going to put this little fox. Have him sitting right here. And an arrow. I'm going to use this arrow just because it has some green in it to bring out some more color. And then this butterfly. Going to fly right up over here. And that might be it. Could do a fish, but I don't know. So yeah, I think that's, I don't know, should I put a sticker over here? Does it need to be offset? No, I think it's good. All right, so that is my 12 by 12 waterfall layout. Pretty simple and quick to do. And I hope you guys all have a great day. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up and click subscribe. All right, bye-bye.